Welcome back, my great subscribers, to Ovampa again today.
I've been getting a lot of comments about the Hamster Combat Season 1 and Season 2. Season 2 just beginning and Season 1 is over, and what about receiving the money and the rest of that? So this video is going to clear a whole lot of that misconception. It's something you are really not understanding about Hamster Combat Season 1, Hamster Combat Season 2, or the Interlude. Now this is something that you should know. The informations here are still about Hamster Combat Season 1. One thing I want to tell you clearly is that we have not officially gone into the Hamster Combat Season 2, okay? And I will show you something for you, just for you to be sure of this. If you get to Hamster Combat official post about this Season 1 being over and the rest of that, yes, we understand that Season 1 is over. We understand that we are entering into Season 2. But is it exactly what Season 2 is all about? Is it about playing all these games from Play Store and the rest of that? Is it just about the same mini game we played in Season 1? Is it about just the kind of cards we were unlocking in Season 1? The answer to this is no. And now let me prove it to you. This is just an interlude period. Watch what Hamster Combat said here. You see what Hamster Combat said in their official Telegram channel, which you too are in. Welcome to Interlude. This is just the gap, the space we are in now, the phase we are in Hamster Combat at the moment is just the gap between the Season 1 and Season 2. It's just like, take this one whole body, make I arrange the next stage, okay? Yeah, it's just to keep us doing something right now while they prepare for the Season 2. Yes, we have not properly gone into the Season 2, and you can see right here also, look at what is still said. Please, someone should check this English. Do you have dictionary around there? Welcome to Interlude, okay? The game does not end with the snapshot. We are now entering the interlude season of Hamster Combat. This is just an interlude season. This is just the time interval between the Season 1 and Season 2, just after the snapshot. The Season 1 is not completely over, because as long as I haven't received my money in my bank account, it's not over, man. So, and now look right here. It says the interlude season is the warm-up, okay? Now this is the most important. The interlude season is the warm-up. You see that English, warm-up, before Season 2, and it will last a couple of weeks, okay? So in other words, by the time you receive your money in your exchange by the 26th day of this month, you'll still be earning points, earning diamonds with the interlude, the phase between Season 1 and Season 2, okay? And then this will last for a couple of weeks, meaning that this interlude, for them to be completely ready for Season 2, this interlude, this preparation, this end of Season 1 and all that has to do with its rounding up will last for some weeks. Now it goes further to say, participating in the interlude and farming diamonds will give you an advantage that will come in handy in the upcoming season. More diamonds, more benefits. You see that, right? So I am doing everything possible to make sure you get more diamond right now. I have made a video on how to play all of that, how to play Hamster Combat Season 2. Yeah, but that is what you should hold for now. That is what you see as Season 2, but it is not the actual Season 2. That is just a word for you to hold on to and be ready for what is coming next, which is the actual Season 2, okay? So go on, get more diamonds, play more of that game as much as you can. It will help you to have something handy in the Season 2, okay? But it is not the Season 2 properly. Hope you get this now. Kindly hit the thumbs up, click subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to get the next upload. Meanwhile, I have good news for you. Loading.